leaders, the provincial government, and the people of Catanduanes. I really don't know personally how to express my deepest thanks to the Latter-day Saints Charities. Thank you and God bless you always.
And so today, we shall witness a very important event in our history, the official turnover of hospital equipment to the Provincial Hospital Eastern Bicol Medical Center by our benefactor, the Latter-day Saints Charities to elder and sister names, the realization of our dream, the universal health care of ensuring quality, affordable, quality maternal and newborn care.
Because of our charities and because of the church, we're able to do this. We are just two people that put things together. It is not us. It is the work of the Lord, and I have a firm conviction of that. The Lord wants to help the people that have good leadership, that have a good plan, and they have good people to follow up those plans. And for that, I am so grateful to the governor for creating the environment with all these leaders that came together to prepare this project and brought it up to excellence.
Your generous assistance over the years and the current provision of medical supplies and equipment for our health sector and are really appreciated. Your organization really lives up to its name, and your generosity will impact many lives and bring light, hope during difficult times.
In consonance with this, EBMC as one cog in the healthcare delivery wheel of the province has always prioritized maternal and child health, which is why this generous donation by the Latter-day Saints Charities of medical equipment that is essential to mother and child care is all the more relevant and impactful. You heard the stories, we saw the tears. We can imagine the impact.
We are so much fortunate for we are endowed with medical equipment that will help us to improve the quality of health care for our clients. Some of these medical equipments will replace our old, worn out that we have. Others will fill up the absence of such equipment.